Quiz time. Phil Foden is the 5th English player to score in both legs of a Champions League quarter-final. Can anyone name any of the other 4?
Wayne Rooney must be one.
Wayne Rooney.
There's my answer.
What we say, teenager here?
No. 5th English player to score in both legs of a Champions League quarter-final. Wayne Rooney.
Frank Lampard.
Frank Lampard.
Steven Gerrard.
Raheem Sterling.
Raheem Sterling.
One more.
David Beckham.
Oh.
Peter Crouch.
What's it?
Yeah.
What are we working with here?
Crouchy, come on.
I was a good player, you know.
I was giving that the long delay because I thought he obviously knows it's him, and I'll just let it build up.
I had a quiz earlier. I didn't even know it was him.
I was going to ask you how would Phil Foden feel, but you clearly have no idea how.
Good times.